Come. Find a bird. Did it go down?
No, it's still flying. It just landed.
What? No. Monk. Hang on, let me reload. It didn't go down, but it flew down the field and landed.
That's what I mean. Where did it land?
Over on my side. Hank, owe me a soda.
Monk!
Oh my God.
We both hit it. Monk, come. Monk.
I'm trying to figure out how to best get through. There you go, boy.
Fetch. Monk, fetch.
Where is it?
It's over here.
I can see it's right here on the ground.
Yeah. Oh. 2 birds in 2 minutes.
After not seeing anything, you got his bird?
It's over there. I lost it. Yeah, it's right there. Here, step over here. You see it? Right there? The
Yeah, no.
tan and brown? Or tan and black
I
dot?
don't know who shot it.
We both shot it. I think we both hit it.
Because like, I thought it jerked and I thought it jerked back, so that's why I thought we both hit it.
Monk, find a bird.
How do I know how many I shot? I think I fired all 3. Pull back.
I have
You
one
only
in there.
fired 2?
Well, I reloaded one.
Oh, okay.
It was funny. I shot.
I was like about to grab one to reload, and I was like, turned around, I was like, wait!
Yeah, I shot 2 at that one that flew away, and then like I dropped one. And like as I put the I didn't know if I knew I shot 2, but I wanted to have 2 in there in case another bird came up. So I literally like put one in as the bird was coming up, and I just like pulled the gun down and shot it.
I forgot to click it back before I pushed the button.
Oh.
There he goes. So close.
So close, Monk. That's why you ran a circle around it.
Hey!
Think it's too windy for him?
He's not doing a good job of retrieving this bird.
No, he did not. I don't know what he's doing. He knows it's out here. He's like, I did.
He's like, you're already here, dude.
Hey. My bird. No, my bird. No! My bird.
That is a hen. No.
Hang on.
I'll grab that.
We both shot it. Monk, come.
Okay.
It's a good sized bird.
That be a hen. Oops, nice fat hen too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who has a game bag?
Goes in the game bag.
I don't have a game bag.
Yes, you do.
I do?
Back to your
Hold
jacket.
Hey.
Pocket. Right. Okay. Stick your left arm against your lower back. That's your game bag.
Oh, my jacket's a bag?
Hey.
Monk.
Put it in there?
You're putting it in there.
Get
You
it?
shot it.
Monk. My bird, come. Monk, come. Head first, put it right down in the bag.
From the top.
No, from the side. It's a side game bag.
Oh. I thought I couldn't figure out where it went. You mean
Here,
turn?
look. There's another snap.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that.
Right down it. Now you're.
No problem.
Congratulations, you two go go
Pheasant
hunting.
in your game bag.
You guys go pheasant hunting one time, you got a bird.
Well, let's go get the other one.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, the
no.
second one's down here.